The Saskatchewan Health Authority patient booking system was developed with you in mind. The patient booking system now allows you to book your COVID-19 vaccination or influenza vaccination online in a few easy steps. All you will need is your health card number, your name, birth date, and either a valid email address or cell phone number. Click on the link to get to the booking system. Read and accept the terms of use, and you are ready to begin. For group booking, ensure group appointment is selected. After selecting how many are in your group, you will be asked to review the vaccine fact sheets and give your consent. Enter the patient information for all members of your group. The system is designed to verify a person's eligibility as their appointment is booked and will display options accordingly. When selecting your clinic and dates, you will only be shown clinics with time slots for all individuals in your group. You can select the next available date and time at the clinic of your choice, or select a specific date and time that works best with your group's schedule. A cell phone number or email address is required for the primary patient or patient 1 of your group. All your personal information is kept safe and secure. All that is left is to confirm your details, ensuring your contact information is correct. Once Confirm and Book is selected, the primary patient will receive an email and/or text message confirming the group's appointment, as well as a reminder as the day approaches. If you need help or an extra level of assistance, call our Sask Booking Department at 1-833-727-5829.